Dear, this car has a strange problem. It can only start in the morning. After starting, I dare not turn off the engine. If it is turned off, it will not start no matter what. Do you know the reason? Let's go and take a look. Now it is in the starting state. The water temperature is also normal. Let's turn off the engine first and try to start it again. It really cannot start. Do you know the reason? Let's go to the front and take a look. The owner cleaned the throttle valve, cleaned the oxygen sensor, and even replaced the carbon canister solenoid valve at the repair shop. He spent a lot of money, but the problem was not solved at all. Today, let's see if we can help the owner solve the problem. This is a typical cold car that can start, but hot car cannot start. This problem is related to the temperature of the engine. Generally speaking, the water temperature sensor behind the engine is broken. If it is broken, the hot car will not start. But you see that this water temperature sensor is so new. Obviously, the owner has just replaced it, so the problem is definitely not here.